We believe training is vital.
If your buyers are to excel at procurement in a fun and enjoyable way. Should they be nurtured like this?
Or like this, to truly unlock their potential.
We want your people to have enjoyment, immersing themselves in the art form that is procurement.
We do this through formal, comprehensive procurement training.
Mentoring to solve real issues.
And coaching to complete real projects.
All to transform your people's skills, their determination and tenacity, and to make brilliant savings.
You need to improve your people's procurement skills if you're going to excel at procurement.